Hi everybody, it's me, Joel Dream. I am a teacher here at the Randall Museum, and I wanted to let you know about a really cool virtual class coming up. It's in 3D printing, and basically we'll be learning how to create with a 3D software. It's called Tinkercad, and turn our ideas into physical objects. So it's a lot of fun, it's intuitive, and here's some 3D printers behind me. Here's a sculpture that I made with Tinkercad. So you guys will be making what you imagine. So here's a working mechanical device. It's a lot of fun, and I hope you join me. All right, thanks.